Originally built at the turn of the century, 56 Binscarth Road excites the imagination with its old-world charm and contemporary sensibility. This exquisite family home was completely rebuilt from the ground up, along with new exterior landscaping, unbelievable stonework, private garage, and a heated drive with plenty of parking for guests. The all-limestone foyer teases the sophistication and well-crafted flow of the interiors to come, complete with its own stylish sitting area, custom millwork and paneling, built-in cabinetry, and a gorgeous bay window. The state-of-the-art Neff kitchen is the beating heart of the main floor with no less than 2 impressive Waterfall bookend marble center islands, a staggering array of top-of-the-line appliances by Miele and Wolf, and enough space to prepare a dozen gourmet feasts at the same time. There's also an adjacent mudroom and powder room. Naturally flowing from the kitchen to the rear of the home, we find ourselves in a modern oversized living area that looks out onto the large back garden. But it's the dramatic floor-to-ceiling marble fireplace that's sure to draw your guests like moths to a flame. Back inside, we ascend the step-lit staircase to the second floor, which not only houses 4 distinct bedrooms, each more splendid than the next, but also an entirely separate family room, equally suited to homework sessions and weekends at ease. The inviting third floor master retreat, with its soaring high ceilings, 2 walk-in closet, and luxurious 5-piece Korean marble ensuite, private sitting room, and impressive yet tranquil rooftop terrace, perfect for stargazing. Not to be outdone by the rest of the house, the all-new lower level has plenty of its own charms to choose from. The large open area combines a home theater, bar, and my personal favorite, a jaw-dropping wine cellar. We also find a separate office or homework room downstairs, along with a nanny suite, high-tech laundry and utility rooms, and 2 spacious storage rooms.